I like to use color.co, but there are lots of different color palette generators online. So once you are at colors.co, go to Generate. And then select the photo icon to create a palette from a photo. I'm going to use this picture that I took, well, that was taken of me at the Louvre in Paris. Colors.co will analyze the photograph and pull different colors from the photograph to create a palette. Once it has done this, you can adjust the colors and tweak them to your preference. Okay, so you can see that the color palette generator has selected lots of blues, grays, and black from the photograph. I really like those colors, but I want to also pull some yellow. So I'm going to select the color picker and drag it across my scarf to pick a yellow. I don't have to worry about finding the exact color because I'll be able to tweak it in the next step. Okay, I'm also going to adjust this blue by pulling the pink maroon color from the background. Okay, now I select Next, Open in the generator. And you can see it has loaded the colors into the generator. From here, I can drag the colors to change the order of the palette. And I can also select View Shades and tweak the shades of the colors that I've selected. So I'm actually going to make this a nice rich blue here. And because I've changed the hue, I'm going to drag it over here. I'm also going to adjust the yellow slightly. I'm going to make it just a slightly brighter. Okay, now that I have created my color palette, I'm going to export it. I like to export as a PNG image. I'm going to call this Paris palette. Oops. Export. Now, if I open the color palette, you can see that I have all of the colors and the hex codes. These will be important if you're building a website in order to color match your palette to elements on the site. All right, well, I hope that was helpful to show you how you can take an image and create a color palette that you can then use to create a style guide for your website and social media.